Hi everyone, I found very interesting software. It's called SimulIDE. It allows to emulate digital and analog circuits as well as most popular microcontrollers like AVR, PIC and so on. It also allows emulate arduino boards. So today I want to do a little demo about it with LCD display, 2x16 characters. Everything I will talk about, I have it in my article about it. Here is SimulIDE. It have link here. Here it is. It's page. Here how to use it. So let's launch it. We need to put this display, this one, on top. And also we need to put Arduino Uno on our board. And we need to rotate it clockwise. Put a little bit closer to display. And move it. And let's launch embeddedly IDE. We need to go to libraries. And we need to look here in libraries for this specific library, Polulu HD 44780. And in libraries, the add library, download library. It will download all the Arduino libraries. And we can do a search here. Zero. So I already have it installed. You have to add it. And this library somehow go to sensors, not to displays. And right click on it. We have sample project and we use this test.io. Then we have to name it. Polulu test 1. And we have to select Arduino Uno R3. Launch. And yes, wait. So here is our code. Here what connection we need to make, 7654321. Actually, we should go to Polulu GitHub page, and here is more described how it's connected. So it should be RS, E, and DB4, DB5, DB6, and DB7. So 7 is RS, 6 is E, and 432 is later, 5432. So let's go to our SimulIDE. 7 is RS, then we skip RV, and then we connect to 6. And then we connect DB4 to 5, DB5 to 4, DB6 to 3, and DB7 to 2. And so in embeddedly IDE we have to build it, and it produces this application elf, and in build folder we have application hex, and we have to go to SimulIDE mega project, load firmware, and we have to find it in our path. I have this projects, date modified, test, build, application hex, and then we can hit run, and we have nothing on display. That's normal. We have to go to mbitly IDE, go to test CPP, and find this load custom characters. So I think it's not supported yet. So we have to save it, build again, and go to SimulIDE again, and mega load firmware, application hex, and then run. And now it have working. So that's it. So I hope you like it, and I have to remind you that my channel not about teaching, it's about learning together. So please subscribe to my channel, like and share and so on, and please write in comments what interesting software did you find it, and maybe I can do a video about. Bye.